Today I would like to look at two different members of the cherry tree family. The cherry family? Sorry, Rosaceae family, the cherry prunus genus. Sorry, I had deviated septum surgery. One here is Prunus tomentosa, I think. Tomentosa is just another word for hairy, which the leaves are hairy and fuzzy. And this one is a Prunus virginiana, Schubert. This one is more of a ornamental. It was bred for its leaves that turn purple in summer. So it starts off just like a Mayday tree. It looks identical to a Mayday tree all the time, except for in summer when it changes its leaves to purple. So we'll look at that under the microscope too. Oh, neat. We got bugs on there. So I was actually going to say, it looks like a mite of some sort. Is it? Anyways, so you can see that the leaves are hairy, especially on the venation, the main rib venations. Well, there's the main rib, but even on like just anywhere where the juice is flowing, right? And I was looking at these lumps, and I'm like, I can't even see those with my naked eye, but that's something interesting to look at. So it's really hairy. That's the bottom side of one leaf. Really cool. Yeah. Rosaceae family, so it's still got kind of the same margins with a little bit of the teeth there. Wow, this one's really fuzzy. So these ones, I really, really like the cherries on these. This particular species can be trimmed into a bush form. So like a hedge, like you know how like cotoneaster is a hedge or whatever, and I absolutely hate cotoneaster. You guys should definitely plant this instead because you can do the same thing with it. It has nice edible cherries, whereas cotoneaster does not, and it's really gross. Let's see the cherry. So I had the cherries are almost coming out. The cherries are almost coming out. So I tried one. It's not quite ripe yet, but man, am I already zoomed in the way? Oh man, this microscope is a lot more powerful than I expected. In sometimes. All right, well, there's the seed. Let's see if I can get it at an angle where you can tell that it's a seed and not just a big nipple. I don't know if that's vein. Can I see veins in there? What's going on here? Anyway, that's the seed of the Nanking cherry. It's not exactly two-dimensional, so it's hard to get a good shot of it. For the Prunus virginiana, Schubert choke cherry, we're going to look at the leaves. What I did was I chopped a purple one and a green one, and I made a section and I flipped it so you can see both the back and the front of the purple and the green one. And we're going to look at it with the light on top and the light through it. I'll try to do this as stably as possible. So here's the greener leaf, the leaf that is still green. That is the top half. So you can see that my phone is trying to tell me how to focus, and really I should be turning that off. But anyways, you can see how the top is green, and it's not tomentose. There's not a single hair on there. So you could say that's waxy or glabrose, I suppose. And then there's a bit of wet. There's the bottom of the leaf. I wonder if I can lock this. I was doing some weird stuff where it was trying to autofocus, so I just try to switch the camera here. Anyway, that's the back of the clear leaf, or the green leaf. There's the front of the green leaf. Start to see that purple anthocyanin being pumped through the vascular system, because that's what it does. That's how it do. And then now you have the purple leaves. So this is the top of the purple leaves. Wow, look at that. All through the venation. You can still see the green. But now you get all that purple stuff throughout. And now we'll see the bottom. This leaf is incredibly purple on the bottom. So anthocyanins have outcompeted all the chlorophyll. I say outcompeted. There's just more of them than chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is still there, but it's like when you get freckles. If you get so many freckles and you just turn brown, if you're a white person, or I don't know. Do you get freckles if you're brown? Do you know what I'm talking about? Anyways, so yeah, so that's cool. That's really cool. Now if I switch it to, you can see-through mode. So this is the back. This is the same one. And in see-through mode, that's the back of the purple one. That's the front of the purple one. Back of the purple, front of the purple. Kind of almost looks the same. Here's the back of the green one and the front of the green one. Wow. Zoom in. Yeah. Well, I like doing this. If you like this, let me know. And if you want to see longer videos, let me know in the comments and we could do some stuff on YouTube. Anyways, I hope you learned something. If you didn't, oh well. Bye.